Hi, I'm Janice Cron. I'm a scheduling attendant at Excalibur.
So Janice, you were selected as an A player because you like to have fun in the workplace. Why is it so important to have fun in the workplace?
It's important to have fun in the workplace because you can have a bad day and turn it right upside down and make it a better day just by running into that one person who's got a smile on their face or who tells you a joke or sneaks up behind you, scares you, make you pee your pants or something like that, you know. Or sometimes I see the ladies and the gentlemen that work in our department early in the morning, just before they start their shifts. Well, you want to start them off with a good thing, right? So, you know, every once in a while, and they walk in, I go, how's it going? Yeah. Did you drink last night? Because, like, I'm really tired. But anyway, yeah, I just want them to have fun. And if you have a bad attitude, you're not going to get real far. And when you have someone around who can brighten it up for you, it makes a big difference.
So what are some of the other things you like to do to play with and tease your coworkers?
Grab some silly scream from the dollar store and just kind of like get them on their birthdays, or get paper confetti, and whenever somebody signs in, because I've been begging them to do it for like a week, and they finally sign in, I throw the confetti and go ding, 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 hooray! And they get all excited and happy, you know, that kind of thing. Just the little things.
So what would you recommend to your coworkers on how they can infuse more fun into the workplace?
As long as you keep it along the limits of being decent, it's all good. You could tell a cute little joke, or even a funky smile like, how's it going? You know, something like that. Anything that you can do to, hey, can I play with that toy? Right on. This looks like the Cox thingies. Yeah, this is Alfred. Can I take this to work with me? No, really, just to have a little bit of fun and make jokes and try not to take things as seriously as they are. You know you want to do a good quality job, but you can't do that if you don't have a good sense of humor or if you're not sitting in the right mood. So if there's someone who's not in the right mood, it's my job to put them in the right mood. Bye.